How can I write data in YAML format in a file? I need to write the below data to YAML file using Python, i.e., dictionary in a dictionary. How can I achieve this?
The default _flow_style equals false parameter is necessary to produce the format you want, flow style. Otherwise, for nested collections it produces block style.
Link to the pyyaml documentation showing the difference for the default _flow_style parameter. To write it to a file in block mode, often more readable. Produces